Alright, so this GE fridge is brand new and making a whole bunch of noise, I found. Yeah, this is the model number in there, if this helps you. Alrighty, so what I found was that there's a panel when you pull out the fridge. I'll show you here. So if you come out here and you look down here, there's a panel, and this is the noise it makes when it's tight. Terrible noise. And what's happening is that there's a copper pipe right there that's vibrating up against this panel here. For whatever reason, either it gets too tight, loose, whatever. So what I found to be the solution is that all you have to do is take off this screw, which looks like this little guy, and this screw. So it's gonna be this screw and this screw over there. And I used a 7mm socket. This is just a 7mm socket. And that allows the copper pipe to not vibrate up against this shield down here. It's still tight, but so if I push it up against, terrible noise. Push it away, no more noise. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.